Cedar Shake roofs are timeless, beautiful, and add instant curb appeal. But here's the problem. Traditional wood shake roofs don't last. They rot, crack, and demand expensive maintenance. And in wildfire-prone areas, they are a major hazard. But what if you could get the same rich, natural look of Cedar Shake without the hassle? Meet Brava Cedar Shake, a revolutionary material that delivers rustic charm of wood with the modern durability. Now, I want to note that Brava has a myriad of different roof applications. One of them is the Cedar Shake in many different colors. The second roof application is slate, and the third is a Spanish barrel tile. This is key for any kind of application, any kind of style that you're looking for, without having the unbelievable maintenance of traditional roofing. Now, some of you guys may remember our discussion many months back with Canon about this product, the Brava Cedar Shake. This is a plastic application where you apply with nails right here, and it gives you this clean look. Now, here's the thing that's great. This mimics a Cedar Shake look, and there are so many different variations of this that you end up having so many different options where you're just going to have a clean application no matter what. Now, here's the biggest component of this. Because it's plastic, it's not going to crack, rot, or fall apart. The maintenance is going to be drastically reduced when it comes to using this as the application. Now, we have not used the other Brava products because in most of our builds here at AFT, the Cedar Shake is what is loved. Now, we have real footage, we have real application of a real Cedar Shake at our Cedar and Slate, hence the name Cedar and Slate. It's a Cedar Shake on the side of the house with a slate roof. Now, that's a real Cedar Shake. And at Citrus Point, we have the Brava material. So we're gonna show you a mixture of what's going on here at Project Worth the Wait and what's taking place at Cedar and Slate and Citrus Point. But that's one of the biggest components about this is going to be a durable, long-lasting application, whereas in most cases, you would have to replace a cedar roof, a real cedar roof, more frequently. So, here's the real question. Why would you use the Brava Cedar Shake over a real Cedar Shake? And let's talk about that real quick. All right, so number one is durability. This is key. Now, we don't deal with any type of snow here in the valley in Phoenix, but what we do deal with is sun. And that is one of the main components that we are baked constantly with, is we need a durable surface, and a real Cedar Shake is going to be so incredibly damaged by even the first year of application because the sun here is brutal. And so with this, the durability, the composite material that the Brava is made with is incredibly strong and long-lasting. So with that being said, the application of this Brava Cedar Shake totally puts it in the ballpark of long-lasting, so that way we're not having to maintain this roof year in and year out. So this is a big win for such a large roof. Number two is fire resistance. Now, we are in the desert, and so wildfires do break out, but we are in the valley, and so it's highly unlikely that we're going to have a wildfire blow through. So whether we used a real Cedar Shake or the Brava Cedar Shake, that is, it is what it is. So by using this material, we've taken that element off. Now, again, with it being a fire-resistant material, this really helps keep the longevity of it for the homeowners and it's peace of mind. That's one of the main things that we want to talk about with our customers, our clients, is peace of mind. One, it's durable, and then it's fire resistant. And now we're going to move on to number 3, which is low maintenance. And if you see the size and gravity of this house, which it is huge, who wants to be cleaning the roof all of the time? This is an easy sell for all of our clients. Those who want a really beautiful home, a really beautiful aesthetic, without having the massive maintenance is going to be incredibly key, and the growth of it is going to be awesome. Hi, Marky Mark. I like your Reeboks. I know. There he is working. Yeah. Get him back. It's all recorded. That's Mark. He's the actual superintendent of this job. He's busy, as you can see, moving ladders and stuff. Good times. Anyways, back to the low maintenance. This is extremely key for our homeowners. We want to give them something that makes it beautiful, curb appeal, aesthetic. Design is always key with the homes that we build, but also in this situation, low maintenance is a great selling point. So number 4 is eco-friendly. This is made from a composite material that's extremely eco-friendly. It lasts 3 times longer than a natural cedar shake roof. Now, the other thing is that because it is a composite material, it's eco-friendly, we're keeping the forests where the forests belong. All right, so you guys are familiar with our Citrus Point project. We just released a full tour of that project, and I'm going to drop some B-roll in this part of the video showcasing, and I'll probably put it in at the front end too, because it's a finished application of the Brava material. But with that, I want to talk about the homeowners of Citrus Point love this material. It makes it really simple for them to keep the house clean. They can have somebody come pressure wash it really easily, and it gets all the dirt and grime off the roof and away from the house. So this is an extremely durable and low maintenance material, which most homeowners want. It's silly to think that we would want a homeowner, a homeowner wanting to do a lot of work on their house rather than enjoy their house. All right, so real quick, let's talk about the cost. Now, I'm not going to give you exact pricing because pricing always changes, and it depends on who your contractor is and their vendor that's providing it, the services to apply the roofing material. But the upfront cost of the Brava material is slightly more expensive than your traditional cedar shake. However, with that being said, we have a longer lifespan of the Brava Cedar Shake rather than the traditional cedar shake. So overall, you might spend more money up front, but really the longevity of it, you won't be applying and reapplying and fixing and doing all of the maintenance that's required of a real cedar shake with the Brava. Clean it off, and it will always look just the way that it's applied. If you guys have any questions about Brava, we would love to answer those questions down below in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe for more about Project Worth the Wait.